Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown and Beginner's Guide. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to be going over how to disassemble, clean, reassemble, and perform a functions check on your Canik TP9SF pistol. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this weapon is pointed in a safe direction, which it is. Next, we would put the safety on if there was one, or true safety I should say rather. Next, we're going to depress the magazine release button, which is right here, and take out the magazine if there was one inside. Next, we're going to pull the slide back to the rear, and we're going to do a physical and visual inspection of the chamber. So I see nothing, I feel nothing, weapon is clear. Send that forward. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull the trigger. We're going to pull the slide back to the rear and pull down the slide lock or the slide release bar, which is here on this side, right here, and also here on this side. So pull this back just a bit and push that forward, and there you go. Set down our trigger housing group. We're going to take out our guide rod and our spring, and then we're going to take out our barrel. So I did just clean this gun for a video, and then I realized I forgot a step to show you guys. So I'm redoing this video, but I am going to show you guys how to clean it again. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our solvent. So we're going to spray inside right here where the spring is, all the internals. We're going to spray along the trigger bar. We're going to spray in this little hole that's right here, this little square hole. We're going to spray inside there, and then we're going to spray inside right here. And then moving on from that, you're going to spray your guide rod and your buffer spring. Then you're going to work the solvent across. Next is going to be your barrel. So you're going to spray inside of your barrel, inside the notch right here, this little hook piece, and right here, this little concave. Let's see if I can get the focus. Yeah, there we go. This little concave piece. Damn it. This little concave piece right there. There we go. Yep, there it is. Right there. Okay. So now for our slide, we're going to spray inside here in these little holes in the grooves that run down the slide. We're going to spray those. So spray all inside here, down the sides. And then you really want to make sure you pay attention to your extractor. So your extractor is going to get super dirty whenever you're shooting. Even if you shoot the cleanest ammo that you have and it burns clean, burns pure, you're still going to get a buildup on your extractor. So your extractor is this little, there it is. You see that hook piece right there? Right there. So you're going to want to take a Q-tip after you spray it, and you're going to want to get inside right here and work that extractor. Okay. Now you're going to do that as many times as you need to. You're going to take a brush. You can do nylon or wire or bronze or whatever the case is, as long as you're brushing the metal. The nylon brush is going to be for your either your softer metals or for the polymer. So I normally just use a wire brush, and I'll take it alongside the internals right here. After I sprayed it down, get inside right here. You can use nylon if you want to on the inside of the mag well right here. It's totally your preference. Either way, the weapon's still going to get clean. So you're going to take your brush, go along here, go along inside here, get the back side, and get this little slide, like this little tray looking area right here. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of it. Otherwise, I tell you the nomenclature. And then after that, you're going to want to wipe your bristles off on your cleaning rag. So as far as the cleaning rag goes, I just use, Shooter's Lube. They send you one. They can send you one with whatever purchase that you get. So that's nice. But I just stick to using t-shirts from Walmart. So you get you like a 7-pack or a 10-pack, or wash it and dry it a couple times to get the frills out and stuff. And then you're going to wipe off your bristles on your brush. So we got that. Next, you're going to do your guide rod and your spring. So you're going to come across here, clean that off pretty good. Next, you're going to do your barrel. So you want to clean alongside the edges across here. You're going to want to get inside this concave area right here. And then you're going to take a Q-tip and you want to get inside right in here. See, sometimes that area gets pretty dirty, sometimes it doesn't. So it just depends on how often you clean your firearm. Next is going to be your slide. We're going to take some Q-tips and we're going to go alongside every little hole and crevice that we can find inside of the slide. So we got right there, got that groove, and then we're going to come down into here. Okay, got that. Now we can set this down. So now comes the oil part, which is the part that I forgot to do in the last video. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our oil and we're going to oil up this spring. Get this hair, that fuzz, there we go. We're going to take our oil and get it right along the spring right there, get inside the internals right in here. Next, we're going to get the trigger bar. Kind of work your action a few times. Kind of get the oil on there. Okay. And the reason we're oiling this is because we want, obviously, we want the friction to not be as hard on the firearm. That allows for a smoother operation. So everywhere that the slide and the metal touches, that's where you're going to want to oil. Next is going to be our slide. So we're going to put some oil down in the groove right in here. And we're just going to work that down. Same thing for this side. We're just going to work that down. Put some oil in here. Okay. Now that we got that, we're going to go ahead and put our barrel back on. Next is going to be our guide rod and our spring. So make sure the nubbed end goes inside the hole and your flanged end is going to set inside this concave area right in here. And that'll happen. Next is going to be putting your slide back on. So all we do is put it on, line it up, pull the slide back all the way, and then any excess oil or solvent, you're going to take your cleaning rag and go ahead and wipe that off. Okay. And now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and perform what's called a function check of the pistol to make sure that everything is working the way it's supposed to. So we're going to pull the trigger for a click, rack the slide, pull the trigger, keep it held down for a click, rack the slide while you're holding the trigger down, release the trigger for a clunk, pull the trigger again for a click, reset it one more time, and there you go. That is how you perform your disassembly, cleaning, reassembly, and function check of the Canik TP9SF pistol. I just want to say thank you guys so much for joining me today. Sorry it's been so long since I dropped a video. I've been really busy with finals coming up. I actually got to take those in the next couple days. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And everything you guys do helps with the algorithm of the channel. And thank you to the 382 subscribers that I do have so far. You guys honestly give me the motivation to want to keep doing this, even though I've been super busy. So thank you all so much, and I appreciate you guys. If we get to the point where we're having thousands of subscribers, I'll try to see if I can get something made as far as merch goes, like t-shirts or hats or something. And yeah, So I hope you guys stay safe, take care, and carry every day. And I hope you all have an amazing Christmas or happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. And yeah, stay blessed, stay safe.